You say hi. You say hi. Hi. You want to color? There you go. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Leo. Lukey. You say, Lukey, where's Leo? No.
Look, a rookie.
Yeah, what's he doing?
He in that pencil.
Say, don't eat the pencil, Lukey.
Yeah.
You feeling okay, Leo?
No, baby can't eat pencil.
No, babies can't eat pencils. Babies can color.
That being can't eat pencil, and that being can't eat pencil either.
What's your baby's name?
Yeah.
Hi, Lukey. Oh, be careful. You say hi.
Look at that baby. That baby's so cute.
He is so cute. Lukey, you blow kiss? Mwah. Mwah. You blow kiss? Okay, there. Hey, Luke. Hey, Luke. You coloring?
Okay. They're all gone.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look, you say mama.
Mama.
Mama. Yeah, those are all gone. Look, you say daddy. Lukey, you say bye. You say bye. Lukey. Hey, Luke. Luke, you say bye-bye. You wave bye-bye. You blow kiss. You blow kiss. Blow kiss. Good boy.